He's crawling. There he goes.
Distraction.
There he goes. He's crawling. Go, Ashley. Go, go, go. There goes Allie, too. Yay. Good job, you guys.
Ashley.
Let's see if River made it.
Oh, he looked
Good
at
job,
it.
Ashley. It's going lower.
Stand up.
It's lower.
Look at this.
Allie's gonna make it. Can you make it? Just look how low it is.
It's a snowplow crawl, but it's a crawl.
Go, Ashley boy, go.
It's like what?
Good job.
15
Look how low it
months.
Buddy, look how low it is.
15 months, and we finally got a
Good
little
job,
crawl out of this guy.
The snowplow. It's going lower. Is he still snowplowing?
Yeah, still
Oh,
snowplowing.
that's awesome.
Till he got to the fridge
I
and
don't
now.
know, Allie, it's too low. I don't know. River, can you make it?
Yeah, Betty! And back to the
Oh, it's
scoot.
going lower.
Hi, baby.
Good night, Doggy.